Hey, how you doing? This is Syed. I'm back with another video. In fact, this is part 2 of the video of the subject that we were talking about, this topic, promoting physical products versus digital products. Okay, so in part 1, we discussed a few things. I went through a few things. If you haven't watched the part 1, I'll put a link in the YouTube description below. But this is the part 2 of the video of the topic. But what I'm going to do in this video as well, I'm just going to go through a quick summary and recap of what we went through in part 1. Okay, and then we'll finish up with the topic of in part 2 in this video. Okay, so we looked at different types of affiliate programs that you can promote: digital products, physical products, service-based products, experience products, and events-based products. But two of the common type products that you'll find in the marketplace are digital or physical products. And so physical products are in physical, tangible form, which you can touch, feel, use the product itself. You can handle them, for example, a laptop, a mobile phone, for example. And when it comes to physical products, the commission rates tend to be lower in comparison to digital products. Major reason being because physical products are less likely to cost more, of course, to manufacture, and store, logistics and all that, and of course they will have a less profit margin for the product reseller. So with that said, product resellers or creators are limited to how much commission that they can pay you to an affiliate, as they need to consider making a decent profit to be able to sustain their business. Okay, so physical products commission rates, you're looking at around 1 to 10% typical. It's not much, but you can look at high ticket products, physical products, although they pay low commission. For example, we looked at massage chairs affiliate programs. They pay 6 to 7% commissions, but they cost anything between $1,500 to $9,000. So if you sell one massage chair, that's 7% commission. You're looking at $600 for a single sale. I mean, if you make like 2 sales a day, that's over $1,000, yeah, for on commissions. So for selling a physical product. So there are niches out there that you can promote, physical ones that pay high commissions, even though they pay low commission percentage. Okay, so that's that. Physical products also proven to convert better than digital products. This could be down to the perceived value to the buyer, as you can touch the product, feel the product, use the product physically, so a bit more exciting. So they're proven to convert better. Digital products are usually in electronic format, so you can't actually touch and feel them, but you can get instant gratification from them, which we'll talk about in a bit. So for example, digital products are ebooks, online training courses, videos, audio, software, so anything in electronic digital format that you can purchase online. Okay, so digital products, as mentioned, can provide that instant gratification and satisfaction that many people enjoy, and you can get instant access to your product. You can download the product, access the members area for a course or whatever that you purchased. One of the major benefits of promoting digital products is that the commission rates are typically much higher than physical products. So it's not uncommon to be earning around 40 to 90% commissions on digital products, so which is great. You can create your product once. If you're a product creator, you can create it once and store the product on the internet and deliver as many times as you want. Digital product creators can pay more because the cost to create and maintain the product are much lower, as they only need to create the product once and then use hosting services to store and deliver the products, which costs much lower than say storing physical products in physical locations, i.e. a warehouse, a shop, and all that, and logistics as well. So we don't have all of that hassle that you have with physical products. Okay, so which should you promote? Okay, so if you prefer to earn high commission rates, then you can go for digital products. If you prefer to go for a niche that you're passionate about, then you have to see what products are available for that niche and then choose the products that you wish to promote. Physical products also can offer a much wider range in terms of product offerings. For example, Amazon has the biggest affiliate program in the world, with millions of products that you can promote. Majority of products are physical, and with physical product you probably have a much wider range of niche that you can tap into. Okay, so if you're more into promoting products around your niche and around your passion, then based on your passion you may end up promoting both, or you may end up promoting digital or physical, okay, or a combination of both. I personally like to go for passion-based niches in combination with products that solve and improve a significant need in the marketplace. Okay, so my field is in the field of marketing, for example, and of course, marketing, helping people grow their businesses with the power of marketing. So in this niche, there are a combination of high value physical products and digital products available for me to promote. So I'm just going to give you an example. One of my favorite resources that I promote in the niche, sorry, in the marketing niche. So one such company is ClickFunnels, right? So which they also have a affiliate program that you can promote physical and digital products from their product suite. And these include physical books in physical format that they post to your door, to your address, physical address, and the actual ClickFunnels marketing software, and some other cool marketing resources that you can promote. Okay, what's special about the affiliate program is that some of their products offer ongoing recurring commissions of around 40%. So this particular product that you can earn these commissions is the ClickFunnels marketing software, and they also have a dream car bonus that gives anyone the opportunity to earn their dream car lease paid for every month, as long as you can generate between 1 to 200 sales of the ClickFunnels software. Alright, so that's great, that is. So with ClickFunnels, you can create complete sales funnels, landing pages, webinar pages, training courses. But for affiliate marketing specifically, you can use it to create bridge pages, landing pages, lead magnet pages, training courses, opt-in pages, and all that. I personally use it because it's very easy to use. I've used like 3 to 4 top software. I've compared them, I've used them, and I've just find ClickFunnels to be the most easiest, simple to use. It's user friendly, beginner friendly, and less technical. You don't have to have no web design experience or whatever. It's really good to use. Once you use it, you'll see how easy it is to use. And you don't, as I said, you don't need to spend hundreds, paying web developers to create your pages. You can create professional looking pages where they create all, where they provide you all the templates and all that of proven types of marketing pages. You can just load up the template and place it with your information, add your content, and you can literally create web pages in minutes. Okay, so yeah, with ClickFunnels, once you generate a sale of a ClickFunnels product, you earn 40% recurring commissions, okay, every month until that customer cancels their subscription. So technically you only made one sale, right? But you could potentially get paid every month for that one sale, as long as that customer keeps their membership active. Okay, so with recurring affiliate commissions, you can truly earn a passive residual income from your affiliate marketing business. And however, these types of affiliate products are less common than the usual products where you get one-time commission. All right, so that's ClickFunnels for you if you're into marketing. So if you're undecided on what to do, what to promote, what you should promote, digital, physical, whatever. So let's have a look at some things on you could consider. Okay, so digital products and physical products each have their own advantages and disadvantages, as we've discussed, as we've gone through. But before deciding what type of product you want to promote, I think it's best to first identify your market niche. Okay, and if you know what market niche that you're passionate about, that's great. If you're not sure, then you can check out a resource that I've added as part of my affiliate success resource here, where it goes through a guide on choosing a niche, and that could help you in finding a niche that if you're not sure what niche to go for, what audience to go for. Then once you're set on a niche, research and find out what offers are available to you. These offers may be in digital, physical, or even both. You can promote either based on your passion or simply find an important market need and niche, and then find relevant products that serve to solve that problems. Again, you may find that some are digital, some are physical, and some are both. So here's the thing: you can easily promote affiliate products that pay high commissions, which is great. Pay a lot more money. But one important thing to consider is that going just after money may not be sustainable long term, because you might get bored after a while promoting something that you're not even interested in, right? Just for the money. Okay. So, of course, we all want money, but in affiliate marketing, in fact, many businesses going for money alone may not help you in terms of generating sales. What you need to do is think about your audience and how you can better serve them and solve their desires, their problems, and their needs. Okay, so because your audience are the people that are, of course, going to pay you the money, right? For your income. So, of course, you want to help them. Find out what they need, what they want, and then just give it to them. All right. So you can do this by being trusted friend, advisor, and building solid relationship with them, or providing value. Usually through email marketing. If in affiliate marketing, of course, you learn how to build that trust relationship with your audience. Okay, and of course, building your list is one of the major things that you do in your affiliate marketing. And as part of your recommendation and advice, you will of course recommend proven affiliate products that produce the outcomes and results that your prospects are looking for. So your chosen niche, in combination with solving your audience's problems and desires, will lead you to finding the best relevant products that you can promote. So that's about it really. So if you'd like to learn more about ClickFunnels, if you're into marketing, if you want to promote marketing products, then you can check out the ClickFunnels affiliate program that I mentioned. So they have a training site called the Affiliate Bootcamp, where they show you how top earners are generating commissions using the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So you can check that out. And once you sign up, if you do decide to sign up, you'll also be eligible for the Dream Car bonus that I mentioned. So I'm just going to put some links right now for you to go and check if you wish. So let's have a look at these links. So yeah, so if you, as I mentioned, if you're not decided on what niche to go for and all that, I put a resource on choosing niche as part of my affiliate success resources, and in that resources also you get some other things all related to growing your affiliate marketing business, and you can get access to those resources if you go to affiliateship.com/free. I'll also put a link in the YouTube description below. And with regards to the ClickFunnels training program, you can go to affiliateship.com/CFAPBC. okay, affiliateship.com/CFAPBC. So what I'll do, I'll also put a link in the YouTube description below. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. And if you haven't watched part 1, you can check out part 1. I'll put a link in the YouTube description below of this video. And thanks again, and I hope you found this useful. See you soon.